Big up yourself. Subscribe. Raw peanuts or peanuts in general. Do you eat them? Peanuts is a very popular food, especially in the context of persons who are vegans or individuals who are on the health and fitness journey. In this bag here, what it is I've shown is a handful of peanuts, raw peanuts. Now, nuts, you can consider them as legumes, yes? Here's the thing that when we think about nuts and if or the health conscious individual, what the individual more than likely be seeing nuts as is the food that provides a good source of protein. And that is true. However, peanuts is also a very good source of fats. And in the context of weight management, calories is a critical factor in the context of the amount of calories we intake relative to the amount of calories we burn so that we may experience a weight shift specific to our desired goals. So, where peanuts is concerned, as you can see on these nutrition facts here, provided by, or actually searched through the Google search and sourced by the United States Drug Authority, peanuts, an ounce of peanuts, which is equivalent to a handful, provides us generally with 14 grams of fat and 7 grams of protein. These are my two focus areas in terms of the macronutrients. So, twice the amount of fats to protein is what we get with each handful of nuts or with each serving of nuts. What this basically means is that if we're trying to reduce body fat generally, then we have to be very conscious with the amount of fats that we are taking into our diets to be lean. And similarly, we have to also be conscious of the amount of proteins that we're taking into our diets to also be lean. So, this is just to prick your brain into acknowledging this reality that peanuts, while it is a good source of protein, is also a very good source of fats. And when we are going to consider calories, that peanuts generally would provide us with a great source of calories coming from fats. So if you are an individual with a desire of reducing body fat, yes, you need to be watching the amount of fats you're taking into your diet. And if you are an individual who is trying to put on size, then you also need to be considering the amount of calories that you're taking in as well. So, less calories to reduce the weight, more calories to increase the weight. Peanuts can be beneficial for both categories, but you must make sure that you're conscious, you are aware of this. So, as is generally the recommendation, moderation, portioning, and ensuring that the combination of your foods throughout the given day is around the range that you need to either drop weight, maintain weight, or put on weight. Hope this can be of benefit to you. Take care till next time.